I veliki pozdrav svima ljudi, moje ime Luksi i dobrodošli u drugi video za danas. Uglavnom, u današnjem videu ću vam pokazati jednu veoma nevjerojatnu stvar koja nam uskoro dolazi u Fortnite, ali pre nego što krenemo obavezno lupite like, idemo do 10.000 subscribera. Također, ok, sam se sjebao. Uglavnom, lupite like, idemo do 10.000 subscribera, lupite neki komentar, bacite neki follow na Instagramu. Uglavnom, o čemu se radi? Sinoć su još došli likovi o Fortnite Creative-u, ali tada još nije zvanično objavio Epic Games i ljudi koji su snimili, tačnije koji su likovali, to su dobijali nevjerovatne copyright strike-ove, znači copyright strike je ono da ne možete streamujeti i tako dalje, ali sada kad je Epic Games zvanično objavio da dolazi ovaj mod u Fortnite, možemo da pričamo o njemu. Uglavnom, šta je to Creative mod? Pa ako znate šta je Minecraft i njegov Creative mod, to je bukvalno isto, samo što je sad Epic Games to uradio sa Fortniteom. Uglavnom ima par snimaka koji će nam pokazati šta ovaj mod može, samo da znate ovaj lik koji je snimio sve je pričao na engleskom, tako da se izvinjam ukoliko vam je teško da razumete neke stvari koje on priča, a za one koje razumiju neće biti problema. Ja ću vam ostaviti ovaj video do kraja, neću odjavljivati, a mi se vidimo sutra u videu kad budem rekao na Battle Pass. Obavezno mi pišite jel bi volili i uživajte u ovom likovanom snimku i opet izvinjavam se ljudima koji ne znaju engleski. Pozdrav!
Hit up play, it's going to come up with an option to join other friend servers. I'm obviously just going to go ahead and create a new one for you guys to show today, and you can change the settings as well, so friends of friends can also join my own server right now. So welcome to the Fortnite Creative Lobby. This is where you start off every individual time you load up Fortnite Creative. We put here in this lobby. So as you can see from a glance, we've got a bunch of rocks around us with some rifts in them. Of course, the one over there, the gold rift, that's going to be my server. And I believe the plan for these featured ones at the front are for maps that are trendy, have a certain game mode. Just, you know, think Minecraft, but Fortnite. Awesome maps. But currently right now, there is nothing featured in either of those. So we're going to go over to my island. So as you approach your own rift, you're greeted with an interact option. Essentially, you can choose one of 4 islands. They're like 4 different saves, I guess you can kind of say, that you can have tied to your account at any time. You can see on the left there, double tap to fly. That's right, we got fly mode in Fortnite Creative. Obviously makes sense. You're trying to build a map, you need to fly. It's great. Next thing up that you probably noticed, we've got a phone in our hotbar. It's like that one with the emote, but like it actually now does something. So if I go ahead and select current tiles, you see that it has a grid option. And if I was to say right click, I could pick up that option and move it around to say over, I don't know, here. Like that. I've just moved a piece of concrete. I can also copy it with a left mouse button so that it doesn't get rid of the original piece. And that's pretty much what the phone will do. You can also press X while holding it out and you can delete whatever you put down already. And so next up, if we open up our inventory, we're greeted with this creative menu. And we have a lot of things called prefabs, and they're essentially pre-built structures from either the game or from Fortnite Creative's mode itself that you can use as kind of like a tool to pick from and use for your current build. So for example, we've got a couple of obstacle courses here that you can just use for fun. And then from that, we've got parts of towns that you can use as buildings. So as you can see, we got things from Lucky Landing here, things from Tilted Towers here. Can I get a F in the chat for my factories out there, boys? That's right, there's factories in here. We got the club from yonder. We got, you know, the modern houses, all the stuff from Pleasant Park, stuff like that, Retail Row, the shops. And as we scroll down the list, we move over to some prop items. So things from the game that, you know, you can destroy for mats and stuff like that. Trees, for example, signs, cars, all that kind of stuff. And then we've got this here, which is actually new to Creative. It's a cube gallery, and essentially it's just a bunch of blocks that have different colors, and some have effects. You saw it on my Code Locky sign just before. And yeah, just to give you a quick scroll through of every option available, what you can take, and I'm going to show you just exactly how these things work in just a second. So let's show you how this rotation can be used with props that you already know in games. So let's turn grid snap off, and let's just rotate it a bunch and just drop one off there. You can just make 1,000 cars. Like, essentially, if you walk over it, it becomes a spawn pad, and you can customize it with options. Pretty much when you go to start a game mode, you have some team options here, and you can do a bunch of stuff with it. It's pretty cool. And so if I'm to respawn right now, I will always respawn right here at my respawn pad. So next up, we got some spawning pads for vehicles. So this is a shopping cart spawn pad, and this is a quad crasher spawn card. Whenever you destroy them, it will respawn a new cart of that type. Also, there's damage numbers now for carts apparently, and there we go. You get a new cart every time it does.